somebody who's lived a life without a child, without children, and then when they had a baby, they've lived that life. फिर वो सही लोग भी होंगे. Because उनको ये दुनिया भी पता है, वो दुनिया भी पता है. Then according to the experience, they can speak.
Not really, because like, Shraddha, once you have a child, you can't think in retrospect and say how life would have been if I didn't have a child. Then everything about in your life becomes about that child. Tomorrow, even if Ash and I have a kid, no matter how much we don't feel like it today, our lives will revolve around that child.
Do you think that's a problem? प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, जैसे ही बच्चा आता है हम हमारी पूरी जिंदगी जैसे उस बच्चों के लिए अर्पण कर देते हैं. And that's why like shit yaar, my career is not going anywhere, I don't have time for myself.
No, I'm sorry to say, but I've been through that, Sandeep and I, when we met, we kind of got a Cocker Spaniel and that became our child. And we grew up
dog ko.
I'm sorry to say, I'm sorry, that's what I'm saying, I'm sorry guys.
But can I say something here before you move on, Ash? And a lot of people do this, by the way. When you were about to say dog ko bacche ke saath compare
jo bahut log karte hi hai.
No, hold on. But let me tell you something. I don't think when people give examples like that, क्योंकि मैं वैसे examples देती रहती हूँ, how I feel about my dog. I'm not comparing my dog with your child.
Yeah.
I'm comparing your love for your child with my love for my dog.
Yeah.
The object of love is different, but the love
is the same.
Today, if somebody says, are you trying to tell me you love your dog as much as I love my child? Boss, if I'm not questioning your love for your child, why are you questioning my love for my dog?
No, because
I'll be honest with you, if my dog can spend money, I'll leave my entire estate to my dog.
Yeah. And I feel...
So how can anybody else question my love for my dog?
I know what she's saying. And to come back to what you were saying, when we got Billion together, I became a mother in a real sense. Now, my father always had dogs every time, wherever he was posted. So we were always mothers to those pets that were home, right? But in true sense, sharing a pet with your partner and your love partner, what happens is you do become mummy daddy. You do play that part. And then I was 18 years old. I grew up with Billion. Billion lived a long, fulfilled life. He lived till he was 15 years old. But the last few years of his life, when he had cancer, he was about 13 and a half and he had cancer, and I met you that time. I gave up working. I didn't want to work. I was home with him.
And you probably mourned him when he passed.
And I was home with him, and and Sandeep was working because obviously he could go to work, but I was home. I used to take him to the vet, and I went through all those emotions a mother would go through because my child was not well. So when you ask me that, have I felt like a mother, I grew up with this baby of mine, and that was my life. We used to take him everywhere when I used to travel. We used to travel. We used to especially go to Goa. For the first time I saw Sandeep playing the part of a father, because Thalassa has this, at that time, they had a roti. And that roti was this huge, hefty roti, So he was wanting to play with Billion, my little Cocker Spaniel, and Sandeep was so scared. And he was behaving like a complete father, protecting his baby, ki nahi, he is not going to be down, he is not going to play. And so we've played that part. That sense of love, that sense of nurturing someone, and,
coming, this, and it's very true because I completely identify with that. I have dogs of my own, and I'm actually a very maternal person.
I'm a very maternal person.
Another thing which is funny, whenever I tell certain people that I don't want to have children,
they tell you that you should have a child because you're very maternal.
No, not only that, Ash, a lot of people very negatively, if you give them your reasons, and usually what are your reasons? All the reasons that we gave throughout this, ki what is the world coming to, or, what will the world my child inhabit? They want to sound very dismissive about those larger reasons. And they'll say, अच्छा नहीं, लेकिन आपको responsibility नहीं चाहिए. But तुम कैसे जानते हो मैं कितनी responsible हूँ?
Exactly.
और when I adopted reasons दिए ना हमने, वो
they don't want to believe it.
They don't want to believe it. I agree.
Because
बच्चे से क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा इस दुनिया में?
She's saying such a beautiful thing right now.
They want to be dismissive because they don't want to believe that you have,
आप इतना दूर का सोच रहे हो. आप ये बताओ कि आपको responsibility
immediately. No, and people have told me, अच्छा आपको अभी figure खराब नहीं करनी है.
Exactly.
And I'm like, what?
तो ये बात है, मतलब see, was this
they want to believe that your reasons are very basal.
पर हो सकता
they
है.
want to believe that your reasons are very superficial.
Nothing tops than the statement that most of the women make, is that you will not be a complete woman till you have a baby. That you are not a full woman only.
But the love is the same.
यहाँ तक हम आ गई ये बात कि मतलब आप तो हो ही नहीं, पूरी औरत ही नहीं हो आप. Because you don't have a child, you are not a complete woman. So it's gone to that extent also, without people knowing that the moment you came out of your mother's womb, your essence of being a woman was always within you. It is not just because you didn't have a child or you have a child, it is inside you. You will nurture everything as a woman. In fact, if you...
No, and some people are not nurturing also. There's some women who are not, but there's some women who are.
But
and who
it's
still
there,
decide to not.
But I think it's there as women, it's there in us.
तुम लोगों को कभी भी अपना ये दिमाग में था कि मेरा करियर अफेक्ट होगा इफ आई हैव अ बेबी, या तो मुझे जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज ज्यादा मिलेंगे, और probably I can have bigger dreams?
No, never. I don't think your career has anything to do with
a
the
figure.
No, not at all.
Honestly, I can afford to have many children and it won't hurt my life in any way.
Yeah.
But that was never, you know, career in terms of work. And I
and your body,
even, that's the thing. I'm saying lots of people, Shraddha, वो मानना ही नहीं चाहते हैं कि आपके intentions या आपके reasons थोड़े, I'm not saying noble, but थोड़े, you know, they can be well thought out. They can be bigger than yourself.
Yeah.
They want to believe कि आपके reasons बहुत superficial है.
Yeah.
आप अपना figure खराब नहीं करना चाहते हो. अच्छा, आपको responsibility नहीं चाहिए. Boss, I'm a very responsible person. Forget that. Even toward my friends, as a human being, I'm a very I run a business.
100%.
I can't be or not want responsibility and run a business. But they don't want to believe it because maybe it makes them. Then they think that जब हम अपने reasons देते हैं कि हमारे reasons इतने ऐसे हैं, शायद उनको कहीं लगता होगा that you know we're judging them. But I'm not judging you. ठीक है, आप उनके बारे में नहीं सोच रहे हो. Good for you. My mother also didn't think about those reasons. It doesn't mean I'm judging her or you.
Generally लोग इतना larger picture नहीं सोचते हैं. You know,
and it's okay. I'm not judging you. They immediately feel, you know, complexed. Ki maybe she's judging me, so let me put down her reasons to be very superficial. And she's masking her superficial reasons with all these, you know, macro issues. But that's not the case.